Okay, let's take a walk through the patio garden. I have some seeds that I started, some zinnias that are blooming, some more seedlings that I brought out, some zinnias and some morning glory. This is some rhizomes of some varieties of ginger, tropical ginger that I just got. It's growing well. Some more plants that my granddaughter planted, seeds that are coming up great. This is a very interesting rhizome that I planted called shell ginger, but also elata, curcuma elata, a gorgeous orchid type looking ginger plant. Okay, then we're walking. There's one of my fountains that I got from Mexico long ago that I love. It's in 3 pieces. I love this. The old mill house. It's a little corroded there, and my little Sushi was our bulldog that sadly passed away about 4 years ago. This is the bulldog garden. And here's another fountain, a huge favorite. It lights up at night. I got a little froggy that's fishing and a frog couple dancing. My octopus friend. Some plumeria, some citronella. Here's another fountain of mine that I love. The wheel's supposed to be turning, but it's not. I love this one. My passion fruit going completely nutso. See, there's hundreds of fruit on it this year. I'd say this is the 3rd year. Dragon fruit that my friend Gary gave me. It's about 4 feet tall, and he gave me 3 other huge, wonderful cuttings too. This is a hidden ginger that I brought back, the rhizomes from Louisiana. It's doing well this year. I'm hoping that it will bloom. It dies back when it gets cold. Some hollyhocks. Hey, Teddy, what are you doing? It's my dog Teddy. He's like, why are you filming all this? I don't understand. And this is my more passion fruit and lots of fruits. This passion fruit is nuts, and I always feel guilty when I trim any of it. Look at this frickin' fruit on here. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, come on. Just so glorious. And when passion fruit start to turn purple, you can take them off, they'll continue to ripen, and you cut them in half and you can juice them like with an orange juicer. And get the seeds out, and there's a nice pulp that you can make passion fruit cake or passion fruit preserves. It's very lovely and fun. And then my beautiful masterpiece pond that I made all by myself. My gardener helped dig the hole. This was really hard dirt and very hard to dig. I wish I'd had him make it a little bit bigger, but it is a beautiful start. I could always somehow make an extension. I don't know. It's very nice. I'm just very happy with it. I'm going to get another waterfall to go next to that one because it's only 12 inches wide. I want to put like 2 side by side. I need to get some planters for those ferns at the top there. And then I have a filter in the middle that it's an optional fountain. Where I chose to use the fountain part, but you don't have to have that fountain in the middle. But the filter is doing the water really great. And I have more rocks that are coming to put all around. Mr. Froggy. And I got a little kind of a mermaid theme going over there. And some Spanish moss that I put in the trees. Like, why not? And my little chandelier over there that twinkles at night. And just a little bit of my wall art. I found this really cool thing. I could probably rebuild that clock. But at a thrift shop I found that. I just love aquatic mermaid type stuff. And I have like a mermaid wind chime thing. She's kind of hidden. Hello. She's hidden in the passion fruit. But that's about it. So this patio, that's a little bit junky right there. Don't look at that. The patio brings me great, great joy. I have a peony that I got online, a peony rhizome that I'm finally bloomed, and I'm hoping for some blooms, some flowers. But it's very exciting that it even sprouted out of the root. It's trying to grow more in there. You can see it sprouting there. But very cool, because peonies are really not from this climate. They're from colder climates, and I love peonies so much. And that's it. Thank you for joining me on my patio journey.